Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I have something good for you today. And I probably did a video on this in the past, but I got a good training for you that could definitely I think can help you build your business. And it's a video marketing masterclass. And it's done by a gentleman by the name of Nathan. He's actually a U.S. Air Force agent, and he gets about 200, as you can see from the copy there, he has about 225,347 YouTube subscribers, and he builds a six-figure business part-time because he's full-time in the Air Force. So, this is the thing. This is probably some of the best techniques, but I'll go over just a little bit of information that you'll get in this masterclass, and I will leave a link at the bottom as always so that you can check this out for yourself. So as we scroll through and look at some of the information on the page, the problem, most home business owners don't have a clue on how to get targeted visitors to their videos. And even if they get visitors to their videos, 95% leave without taking action. So if you're not making money with every video you make, then you have a problem, and that we can solve that now. So you may be asking yourself a couple of questions. You know, why is nobody finding my videos? Why is nobody watching my videos? Why do people fall asleep during my videos? So, well, if people fall asleep during your video, then you're probably going to be a little bit boring. But anyhow, why aren't my videos making me sales for my business? Just a couple of questions. In this training, you're going to be able to overcome all these obstacles more as you get free instant access to this YouTube masterclass. How much time is creating videos that don't convert costing you? And how many sales are you missing out on? Here's the thing is that some of the techniques that you need to really get your YouTube channel going on a good basis, I found in this. So it's really good. It is a free access. It's all in this masterclass. It's all in that link. In this masterclass, you're going to learn how to generate 200 to 600 plus leads per day for free with YouTube. You're going to learn video optimization. You're going to learn what headlines, descriptions, and YouTube tag secrets if you want to get a lot of traffic to your videos. You're going to learn the 5 best types of YouTube videos that you can use to grow your channel and business fast. You're going to learn how Nathan earned his first $10,000. He had his first $10,000 day and had his first 6-figure month via YouTube, and how you can do it too. You're going to learn the 8 YouTube tools and resources to get your first 100,000 subscribers. And you're going to learn the simple 5-step YouTube lead generation formula to create unlimited traffic, get leads, sales, and cash, all within YouTube. And it all is free access. So guys, this is for free. I'm giving this to you. This is a great resource because, as you know, you watch my videos. I'm also building my business. I'm also creating income through YouTube as well, through my videos. So take this, dissect it. This is free. I think that you'll see that probably after applying what you learn in this course, that you'll see that your views will go up, that you'll probably see more engagements on your videos, and you'll see that your subscribers start to grow as well. So that's the video for today. I thought this was a good resource that the guys and gals over at MLS put out today. I think it'll be very helpful. And again, the link is at the bottom. Click the link, enjoy, consume it, take notes, and most importantly, apply the information. As always, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that little bell at the very bottom there so that you're subscribed to all my new videos. Also, hit that subscribe button, of course. And also, just to remind you, this channel is all about entrepreneurship. So if you are in affiliate marketer, network marketer, internet marketer, and just want tools, tips to help you grow your business, then you come to the right channel. Also, feel free if you want also inspiration. I provide that here on the channel as well. So guys, that's it. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you guys. Peace.